Alright guys, so this is just a quick little tutorial on how to set up your Canva and get started making some posters or postcards or videos. It has tons of things. So here, this is the very first page it sends it to. So you're going to want to sign up with your student email. So if you're using a computer where you're already logged into your student email, go ahead and just click sign up with Google. Or you can go ahead and click sign up with email and you will input it there. So I will click sign up with Google. Click your Google that you want to sign up with, and then it takes you to this. Now you will click here that you are a student and who's your team. We don't need to do any of this, so just go ahead and click skip. Now this gives you a quick little tutorial on where everything is at and how to use everything, so take your time going through all of this. So to start with our project, you are probably going to want to start with a template. So you can go with templates and you can click education, you can click lesson plan, worksheets, ticket, any of this. I just like to click the whole thing. Then I will search poster because for this particular assignment you can use a poster. But before I click search, I will show you that you are able to do Facebook posts, Instagram, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, invitations, brochures, all kinds of things using Canva. It's a great site. Personally, I love it. So I will click posters and then I will click enter. Now I have all of these different categories that I can pick from. Everything is editable, so if there's just a color scheme that you really like and you want to use, go for it. Have a blast, make it your own. Just make sure you follow your project guidelines. Now, these have different themes, so if you want to choose specifically, now we're doing science, so you could click science fair, and you have all these different science things that pop up. So just because we're in science, I will pick some random one. And I will click use template. Now here, like I said, you can go ahead and you can edit all of the text to make it your own, or you can just go ahead and click on them and then click delete. And you can have a blank canvas with just a few of the science things. That is the reason why you click this. Now you can upload your own pictures, you can do photos, and you can search, which will, if you do a search, so say we do DNA, you can use any of these photos. The only thing is that if you do any of these photos, because we are on a free account, if you choose a photo that says Pro, you will need to either screenshot and send it to me, or you will have to share it through a link, which is totally fine. And if you want to actually print your poster because you think you did a phenomenal job and you want to keep it, then you will just have to either use the free ones, or most of these are $1. So say I use this and post it on there. Now throughout this it'll give you little tips for editing, and that's kind of nice, so you can take your time going through all of that. Once you have finished and you think this is perfect, I'm going to get an A. Now to hand it in to me, you will click share, and then you will click copy link. But right here, make sure that you share the link, not to edit, but change it by clicking the drop down to share link to view. I don't want to be able to change anything. I think what you guys are going to give me is going to be awesome. Once you click view, you click copy link, and then you will click that link and put it in our Google Classroom under our assignment. Above hand in is attach, and once you attach it, you will be able to put the link in the attachment and then submit your awesome poster. So once you copy the link to the class, you will be all done with your project. So hope you guys get creative and have some fun making your posters, and I hope this helps you out a little bit.